Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to move objects to coordinate 0, 0. So for example, you can draw circle object, and if you want to move the circle to coordinate 0, 0, we can active for the absolute coordinates. You can tap DS to open a drafting settings, and then click on the dynamic input tab. In enable pointer input, click settings. Now you can change to the absolute coordinates. Click OK and OK again. Now you can use the move command to move the circle from the center point and set the second point to coordinate 0, 0, and you can press enter to move. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to move object to coordinate 0, 0.